Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make image to video AI for free. We're using Pixverse AI, and right here we have an interface where we can see some already made images. This is cute, and all of these other options are pretty neat. We're going to be making ours with a few clicks of the buttons. Right away at the bottom here you have some settings and you can add an image. We're going to click on image, and then we're going to click on this image here. Click on open, and you can see the prompt transform into Black Venom. However, if you want to make a change to this, you can come over here, click on it, and then you can see some other presets here. We're going to choose Iron Man. Then you can see the picture and activate Iron mode. You could also change the style. We're going to make it a 3D animation. It's going to be for 5 seconds, but you can make it up to 8 seconds and you can leave the rest as is. Take note that to create this, it will take you about 30 tokens. If you are having your account for the first time, you will have just about 30 tokens. So let's go ahead and create. So this is currently on a queue, and when it's ready, you will see this picture activate into Iron Man mode. Awesome, right? You could go ahead and download it if you want and add some lip syncing and other features are available. So this is how to make image to video AI for free.